Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the PIN code of the My BMW application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on this settings icon in the upper right corner and then scroll down to the app section and click on PIN code. Tap on change, then enter your current 4-digit PIN code and then type in your new PIN code and type it in again to confirm it. As you can see, it has been changed, so now you can use your new PIN code to log in. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.